Stuck with a dead car battery and no one around to help? What if a single pocket-sized device could get your car running in seconds? Today, we're taking a closer look at the CTEK CT5 START Stop to see if it truly lives up to the hype. About the product, the CT5 START Stop battery charger and maintainer has been specially designed to charge and maintain batteries in start-stop vehicles. Start-stop technology is great for the environment, but it can put a considerable strain on your battery, especially if it's in an older car. By keeping the battery fully charged, you can take full advantage of all the start-stop technology benefits, such as better fuel efficiency and lower CO2 emissions. What's in the box? Inside the package, you'll find the CTEK CT5 START Stop, battery clamps, user manual, product description, fully charged LED, charge LED, check LED, error LED, power lamp. How to use. First, connect the red clamp to your battery's positive terminal and the black clamp to the negative terminal. Then connect the charger to the power outlet. When the charger is on, the green power LED lights up. The battery starts charging. When the battery is charged, just disconnect the clamp and start your car, and away you go. Specifications. Safety precautions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.